Okay, this is part 2. Let's unbox this Mac 100. So, yeah. Okay, so this thing is fully motorized, so you will need 6, count them, 6 D batteries, which luckily I already had some. 2, 4, 6. So, yeah. You'll need those. And this right here, I noticed it was on the other box. That's an extra bullet. So yeah, I'll show you how to take that out once I open this box. Or actually, look, here we go, the other one. It's right here. You just taped on, like so. You just, oh. Hey, the box doesn't want to stay still, so I can take this. You just pull this tape off here. Trying to see, get it where you can see in the light. And you just take that off and pull that. Voila! There's your extra bullet. You can add it to your collection of bullets there. Okay, so now on with this one. Open this bad boy up. Or bad girl, you know, like I said a while ago. Another one. But that's besides the point. Let's get through this. I think that's all you have to do on this side. Ah, there's a bottom one. Okay, now. As always, there's the instructions, yeah. Don't want to read them, we just want to take the toy out and play with it. Okay. That new smell, man, I just cannot get over that. It's just so addictive. This one comes with 80 rounds ammunition. You can also buy more if you lose any or want to just stock up on it, you know. Box is falling over. Okay, hopefully we can just pull this one from this side and not have to go to the other side and not gonna